Okay, hello again. In this section, I will be sharing a study tip with you, and I think that you will love it. Now, this is actually super simple, super easy, very basic. It's actually something that I share with a lot of my students and a lot of their parents to help them build their vocabulary and help with their oral communication. Even reading, it's very beneficial for so many reasons. So allow me to explain. I will start by explaining, and then I'm going to literally show you. We will step in a living room, and I will show you exactly what I mean. Okay, you grab cue cards. Okay, note cards. You can use paper, anything you want. Just have a piece of paper like this. All you need are three things. Okay, you need paper, a marker, pencil, anything to write with, and tape. Okay? Again, paper, writing utensil. Is it a writing utensil? A writing tool, and tape. Okay? So you have your cue cards, you have paper that you cut out, you have sticky notes, okay? You write the word, you write the noun down on the paper, okay? So this is where you have two options, okay? You can write juste le nom or le nom et le déterminant, okay? If this is still something that you find maybe a little bit hard, just write le nom. So if you want to study the word chair so that you don't forget chair, and you know that when you see a chair, you can say that word in French, chaise, write chaise, okay? If you're ready to go a little bit further, which I think you can, okay, write la chaise or write une chaise. Okay? Yeah, again, the only difference is when you say la chaise, you're talking about one, the chair specifically, okay? You are saying the chair, and if you say une chaise, you are saying a chair. So it's like a random chair, okay? But either way, whichever one you want, or you can write all three on one thing, but I suggest just choose one. Okay, let's go with this one right here. You have it. Do that. Whoop. Excuse me. Do this for all the words you want to learn. If you just want to start with 2 nouns, you want to get 2 words down in 2 days or in 1 week or 1 day, whatever your goal is, that's fine. Just stick with it, okay? Write it down. If you just want one word, you want to know how to say la chaise, let's start with this, start small and then add on. Good, great, let's do it, okay? But if you're ready to do a little bit more, do that too. So, la table, okay? Les fourchettes. Okay, let's stick with these 3 for now, okay? Here we're focusing, let's say, on the kitchen, okay? La cuisine. You have les fourchettes, which means the forks. You have la chaise, which means the chair, and la table, which means the table. Okay, you have your 3 pieces of paper. You're going to add the tape on the back of it, or if it's a sticky note, great, you don't even need to add anything. Now you go, if you have chair, la chaise. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but if you can, right here, okay? You have your piece of paper that says la chaise and you stick it on right here. Now every time you walk into your kitchen and you see the chair, you are going to say la chaise, la chaise, la chaise, okay? Repeat it, say la chaise, look at it, okay? This is a good visual for you. This is a good way to memorize it, but also to know it, okay? So you say la chaise and then try to do it without looking and then check to verify. So you have la chaise, sticky note here. You have the word written out on la table for the table. You have it on your lights. You have it on the wall. You have these vocabulary words. You have them in this video. You have them. on your PDF file, and now you have them in your very own kitchen, living room, bedroom, and office. Okay, so as simple as that is, it will be super, super beneficial. Okay, and if you want later on, add sentences. If you have a red chair, say, la chaise est rouge. The chair is red. Okay, so that's what's great about this study tip. You can modify it however you want. If you find that you are progressing so quickly and you're ready to use sentences, do it. And if you're most comfortable with just something like this, that is great. But it's something great to do every time you walk by it, every morning, every night, during the day. Practice these words, okay? You will also find in your booklet the list of words, and you see boxes next to it. That's there so that you can check off the words that you know, and then maybe focus on other ones, okay? And then later on, if you want to go back, all right, highlight them, okay? It's really there for you. That is your own personal workbook. So I hope you find that very beneficial. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean with this study tip right now. Let's go.